Hey, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can check out your Visa gift card balance. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, what you need to do is open usa.visa.com. So after you open this site over here, just scroll all the way down until you find gift card. So as you can see the gift card option over here, you can easily click on check your gift card balance. Right below find a gift card. Go ahead and tap on this option and you will be seeing many type of gift card like the Vanilla, giftcards.com, gift card mall, Commerce Bank, Nabi Federal and Walmart. So you can open all of these and you can select which one of these companies do you own a gift card on. And if you want to check a balance, what you need to do is enter your account details. So each and every card details will be different. You can see this option over here, the things you need to enter. So you need to enter the card number, the expiration date and CVV. Go ahead and tap on continue, log into your details and you can easily find your balance or you can easily check your gift card balance. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.